Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll show you how to start and create a YouTube channel with your phone in 2022. You need a Gmail account for creating a YouTube channel. So, first let's see how to create a Gmail account with your phone. Open Gmail on your phone. If you have an existing Gmail account on your phone, and want to create a new account, follow these steps. Click on your profile. Click on Add another account. Then click on Google. Click on Create Account. We are gonna create a YouTube channel, so click on To Manage My Business. Type your first name and your last name in these fields. After typing your name, click the Next button. Select your date of birth. Select your gender. Then hit Next button. Pick a username or create your own. Set a strong password to your Gmail account. Add your phone number to verify your account. Scroll down this page and click on I agree button. Here, your Gmail account has been successfully created, so, now open YouTube to create your YouTube channel. Click on your YouTube profile. Then click on your account. From here, choose the Gmail account that you just created. You're signed in with your Gmail account, but your YouTube channel has not been created. Click on your profile. Then click on Your Channel. Here, choose a unique name for your channel. You can also choose a profile for your channel now from here, or you can customize it later. Click on Create Channel after all you have done. Congratulations, your channel has been successfully created. Now, for customizing your channel, click on Edit Channel. Here, you can add a profile picture and banner to your channel, also you can add a description to your channel. For uploading a video to your channel, click on plus icon. Here, upload a video. And the last thing. For managing your YouTube channel with your phone, you need to download and install YouTube Studio app on your phone.